The endless horror of Gaza. Today it was an Israeli strike on the Wafa Hospital in Gaza City. The IDF claims it no longer functions as a hospital. The Hamas-run health ministry in Gaza said it was a specialist unit for people with disabilities.
It was a hospital, Wafa Hospital for the elderly and seniors, housing a large number of people with disabilities and patients. After this place was targeted with at least one missile, many martyrs were brought down from the 5th floor to the ground. They were martyred instantly.
48 people have been killed in Gaza over the past 24 hours. The Israeli military says the strike on Al-Wafa was aimed at Hamas units operating within, claiming it was being used to coordinate attacks against Israel. They said the same of Kamal Adwan Hospital in northern Gaza, which the hospital strongly denied. Footage released by the IDF last night shows soldiers raiding the building as they forced everyone out, detaining 240 people, including dozens of medical staff and the hospital director. In Israel, protesters continue to demand a deal to bring home the hostages. Thousands gathered in Democracy Square in Tel Aviv, calling for an end to the conflict.
I want to see an end to the war. I do support the goal of destroying Hamas because they did terrible things, but I think we've done that as much as possible. And we have to have a ceasefire and we have to end the war and get the hostages back again. And I can't see anybody doing anything to get that going.
Reports of progress in ceasefire talks now seem depressingly distant, not least because Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, seen here 3 days ago, is in hospital having his prostate removed. In Gaza, however, there is no respite. The suffering and the death toll only grows.